With the nationwide lockdown in India, students across the country have resorted to various digital platforms for learning. However, children of lower income groups aren't as privileged to get access to online learning. But the NGO Arth Samartha Foundation and tech innovation company Crazy Devil Creations have teamed up to launch Phone Shala to ensure that children from poor families do not miss out on learning during this lockdown.
During the COVID-19 lockdown in India, some children are able to continue learning despite their lockdown because they're able to access video lessons that the teachers are able to send through WhatsApp, or they're able to attend classes through video conferencing. Unfortunately, many children in our country do not have access to these digital tools because their parents are unable to afford smartphones and they have very basic feature phones. Arth Samartha Foundation, or ESF, is an award-winning NGO that works in public policy consulting. We're also designated nodal NGO or mother NGO for our COVID relief work. During our COVID operations was when we realized that low-income children are unable to access the education or learning because of the lockdown, and we knew we had to act. And that's why we teamed up with our friends and technology partners at KDC, and Phone Shala was born. And the vision and dream of Phone Shala is to bridge this inequality in education and help children access learning in a cost-free manner.
But also for planet Earth, because homemade.
While the lessons have been pre-recorded by teachers from across the country, learning is absolutely free of cost.
Phone Shala is a zero-cost voice solution. The student calls to make selection of the language preference and the grade. This gets saved for all future references. Now, when the student calls for the subject selection, the system will play a pre-recorded human voice crowdsourced from educators from across the country. The entire process can be done from any phone medium. They don't need to have any smartphone or any internet connection, enabling the low-income families to make use of it.
Children, when you drink homemade lemonade instead of bottled cold drinks, it is not only healthier for your body.
At KDC, we believe in creating technologies for a cause. Thus, Phone Shala allows the students to get included into the entire education system and thus building their confidence.
There are certain special features of the lessons that children can learn on Phone Shala. Firstly, the messaging and the communication will be very positive and motivating. This is especially important for children from low-income families that are probably facing child abuse or trauma at home. So Phone Shala lessons are hoping to be an escape from that. Secondly, ESF is an environmental organization, and we truly believe that education is a very strong tool in raising eco-conscious citizens of the future. So lessons of Phone Shala will incorporate values of environmental conservation and sustainability.
While this unique initiative will help students across the country during the coronavirus lockdown, it will certainly prove to be useful later as well.
We also believe that beyond and after the lockdown is lifted, Phone Shala will continue benefiting those students who are still unable to attend school regularly for various other compulsions. And that's the dream of Phone Shala, to be able to reduce inequality in access to education for all children in India.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.